She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
First off, what are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts are essentially just vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less, and similar to TikTok or IG Reels. I highly recommend trying out YouTube Shorts because it's a newer feature and the YouTube algorithm is heavily pushing out videos which are shorts in order to test this feature. So if you've been curious about how to create YouTube Shorts, today I'll be showing you how to upload them and also have them properly show up on your channel in a vertical format. There are 3 requirements for Shorts. The first being that you will need to add the hashtag Shorts in either the description or the title. The second requirement is that it needs to be a vertical video. So the dimensions that I use for this is 1080 by 1920. And the video needs to be 60 seconds or less. I'm going to show you how to convert your regular landscape videos into a vertical video. Ideally, it would be better if you record your content in a vertical format if you know that you're going to be using for a YouTube short. However, if you have some old content that you want to convert into a YouTube short, this is how you would do it. Okay, so right now I have my Final Cut Pro open. I'm going to create a new project. Under the video settings, I'm going to click Custom. Then update it to 1080 by 1920. So in one of my previous projects, I have the video clips that I want to use. I'm just going to go into that project, copy it, and then paste it into my project that I just created. So if I exported it as it is now, it would be a vertical video. However, it does look a little bit weird because I don't really like how these black bars on the top and bottom are so large. To remove the black bars, so I click into the clip that I want to edit, then go into this film options button. Under the transform section, you see this scale, and I usually start off with about 350, but yours might be a little bit different depending on your filming. So now you can see that the black bars have disappeared, and then I'll click this button right here, and now I can move around to where I want the camera to be focused. Once you're done with the positioning, you can click this square button again, and then I'll just go through the rest of the clips and adjust the scale on those as well. If you want to keep the scale of your video and keep the bars that are on top and the bottom, another alternative that you can do is to change the color. And to do that, you can go into Canva and open up any blank canvas, then choose a color that you would like. Then I'll just download it. Import that image into your Final Cut Pro, and then you can drag it to your timeline, change the scale of the image. And as you can see, the bars are no longer black. You can change this to whatever color that you want. So I finished editing my video, and this is what it looks like when I try playing it on my desktop, and you can see that it's clearly a vertical video. Now that I have my video prepared, I'm going to show you how to upload it into your channel. You would first just upload the video as you would regular, then add the shorts hashtag into either the title or the description. I like putting in both just to make sure that YouTube indexes it properly. In order to make your shorts show up on your channel correctly, you're going to have to go into the Customize Channel page, go down to the Featured Sections, add a section, and then you'll see the option called Short Videos. Once you click the short videos, you can drag it to wherever you'd like. Click publish, and then you'll see all your shorts in one section on your channel.